For you to understand where you are, in which position you are, you must be able to understand who and what you are. That will make you know where you are. If you understand yourself, which quarter you've been made out of, then you are able to understand, am I in the right place? To know who you are, it is be able to understand whether you're in the right place or the wrong place. Whether you're in the right company or not in the right company. Because you can be in a place like this one, but wrongly placed. You can be working as a manager in a company and you're wrongly placed as a manager. You're not supposed to be a manager. You're supposed to be a CEO. When you misplace some of the principles that you are, then you always get it wrong. When you're having unhealthy discussions, when you lose your focus and instead you focus on the people around you, it means you are eating dead carcasses. You need to eat something fresh. Be in a position where you discuss things that are progressive, things that are taking you forward. When you become a listener to the so and the so, you become an idiot and you lose touch with the vision of God that He had given you. Because when you lose the focus, you lose the vision, you lose the idea, you lose the plan of God that He has in you, and you lose touch, and nobody will want to work with you anymore because you are a people's watcher instead of a vision watcher.